So here we got a limit problem. So to solve this problem, I'm going to use the method of rationalization. So let's consider our fraction, which is square root of x square minus 8 minus a square root 2x square minus 24 divided by square root 3x square minus 23 minus square root x square plus 9. Here I'm going to rationalize this fraction. So for that I'm going to multiply this by square root of 3x square minus 23 plus square root of x square plus 9, and same quantity in our numerator, 3x square minus 23 plus square root x square plus 9. And similarly I'm going to rationalize this fraction again, and for that I'm going to multiply this by square root of x square minus 8 plus square root of 2x square minus 24, 2x square minus 24, x square minus 8 plus square root of 2x square minus 24. Here we can see that if we let this our a and this is our b, then we can say that a minus b, and here we get a plus b. So we can simply say that a minus b multiplied by a plus b is equals a square minus b square. So by this result we can say that square root of x square minus 8 square minus of 2x square minus 24 whole square, and we are left with this square root 3x square minus 23 plus square root of x square plus 9. Similarly, in denominator we'll get, this is our a minus b and this is our a plus b, so we can say 3x square minus 23 square minus square root of x square plus 9 whole square, and we're left with this square root of x square minus 8 plus root over 2x square minus 24. This implies that x square minus 8 minus 2x square minus 24 multiplied by square root of 3x square minus 23 plus square root of x square plus 9, and in denominator we can similarly solve and will obtain 3x square minus 23 minus of x square plus 9, and this should be in a bracket. Yeah. Multiplied by square root of x square minus 8 plus square root of 2x square minus 24. And here we can simply solve this. We'll obtain x square minus 2x square minus of 8 plus 24, since we are multiplying with the minus sign inside a bracket. multiplied by square root of 3x square minus 23 plus square root of x square plus 9, and in the denominator we can say 3x square minus of x square minus 23 minus 9 multiplied by x square minus 8 plus square root of 2x square minus 24, and after subtracting we'll obtain minus of x square plus 16 divided by 2x square and minus of 32 multiplied by square root of 3x square minus 23 plus root over x square plus 9 divided by square root x square minus 8 plus root over 2x square minus 24. And now we can solve this and we'll obtain minus of 1 upon 2 x square minus 16 divided by x square minus 16 multiplied by same quantity, and we can simply cancel this, and we finally obtain limit x tends to 4 minus 1 upon 2 multiplied by square root of 3x square minus 23 plus root over x square plus 9 divided by x square minus 8 plus square root 2x square minus 24. And now we can simply substitute the value x equals 4 inside expression minus 1 upon 2 into square root. This would be 48 minus 23 divided by plus square root of 16 plus 9 square root 16 minus 8 plus 32 minus 24. And after basic calculation we can simply obtain the value, and the value is 10 divided by 4 square root of 2. You can simply calculate it, and this is equal to 5 upon minus of 5 upon 4 square root of 2, and this is the answer.